Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and right now we're going to skate Springfield, Massachusetts, downtown. Yeah, that's right. And by the way, can you see it? Yeah, new shoes, baby. Let's get this. But before doing anything, I gotta go to my friend's house so I can get some skateboarding watch, because we're gonna be hitting some ledges today. Yeah, ledges. I love ledges. That's all I skate. So this is for sure gonna be really fun. Keegan, can I have some wax?
Some wax?
Yeah.
I got the wax.
Thank you for the wax.
You're welcome for the wax.
Are you going? Poor Keegan.
Bye, children. Have fun skateboarding.
Thank you.
Wear your helmets too.
Oh, John's is gonna take a while to get here. I'm just gonna skate some flat ground to warm up, and yeah, flat ground now.
There's someone out there, I'll pack my bags to Rio. She's a dancer, but I'm a drummer. I'm lost in this world, but I found myself in Rio. On a blanket across the ocean. Ooh.
Since I'm bored, I'm just gonna try some tray flips. I know I am not gonna get it, but I'm gonna try it anyways, cause I can.
Love is a game, I know I've been.
Miguel. Oh no. Oh no.
You get that?
Yeah.
You got that dude in the car? Alright. Last tray flip attempt. Don't cut, don't cut. This is live. Fuck it.
You'll get it one day.
One day. John just made it here, and since it's probably gonna rain, we're trying to figure out where are we going now.
Dude, we could skate at Mass Mutual
Oh, that's true, but
because the car
there's
place.
nothing that can cover us.
The car
talking about the
place. The
parking
car.
lot?
So after all, we are going to downtown. Yeah!
Fucking hot.
It is hot. That is a fact. It is like 100 degrees out here. Am I exaggerating? Maybe.
I'm gonna.
Maybe.
Oh fuck, my bad.
So, let's go. Let's go to downtown. Cops. We are now switching spots. The police is... Where the fuck is the police? Oh, right there. Yeah. We're gonna hit the next spot right now. And looks like it is going to rain.
Stay alive!
So we gotta hurry up.
Dude, this is moving towards us.
This is not looking good. It's raining! Even though the day is not looking great, it is definitely not looking great, but at least we have a piano here. I don't know where this came from or what is the purpose of it, but I am gonna use it.
Oh. Yeah, yo, Mick Don knows how to cow. Ooh. Oh, you changed up the beat. Damn. Yeah.
Yeah!
Hey. All day long.
We got people people that actually knows how to play the piano. Yo, this is dope. We finally made it to a dry spot. I think we're gonna play a game of skate, and if you wanna see the game of skate, go to Johnny's channel, cause he's gonna have it. I'm just gonna end this video here. Again, didn't get as much skating as I would like to, cause this is still raining. Now we're trying to go somewhere to get something to drink, and yeah. So I'm just gonna end it here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, because you want to know when I upload a video. I know you want to. You want to. Don't be lying to me. So later.